Hi everybody, it's Lene from Lene Creates. I'm just in the process of making some coffee dyed paper and I on my last batch, and I thought, hey, I should film this so you guys can refer to it whenever I use it on projects for my channel. So what I'm starting with is just an aluminum foil turkey roaster that I got at the Dollar Tree. I just want something large enough to contain the paper. You could even just use a cookie sheet as long as the sides are tall enough. Then I'm just using instant coffee. I've used the brewed stuff and I find that the instant coffee works better because I can get it as dark or as light as I need. And if you get it in the pan and it's just not turning out as dark as you want, just throw some more in and it's just fine. So I'm putting about 3 cups in this pan, and this is my last cup. Now this is a really large cup. So it's about 8 ounces, maybe 10 ounces, and then I put 2 heaping tablespoons of the instant coffee in there. All right, and then I'm just using printer paper, just 8.5 by 11 printer paper, and I'm putting 3 sheets in, just all at once. All 3 are in there, and then we just want to submerge that. And you could keep this in here anywhere from like 30 seconds to 3 or 4 minutes, or even longer, depending on how dark you want to get it. Now, the very top sheet is going to be the lightest. The sheet in the middle is going to be kind of medium, and the bottom sheet's going to get pretty dark just because of where they are and how submerged they are. And so we're just going to leave this sitting here for a couple of minutes. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to pick it up and let it drain off, and then put it on a cookie sheet and then put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 4 to 5 minutes. And make sure you set a timer, okay? Because you don't want to get distracted. This stuff is combustible. It will burn. So definitely keep a very careful eye on it, and take it out of the oven. If it's a tiny bit damp, just separate the sheets and spread them out over the kitchen counter, and they'll be done and dried in 20 minutes. And then you get all of these really great looking papers. So I'm going to show you some and you can check it out. All right, they just came out of the oven on the tray. This is what they're going to look like. They're nice and crispy. All right, and I'm just going to take those off and put the next batch on. All right, I'm going to put these in the oven. All right, as you can see here, they're done. So this one is the darkest one. So this one was on the bottom of the pan, and then the middle, and then this one was on the top. And so I like to do them all this way and then just separate them into dark, medium, and light. And then I use them according to what I'm going to do with them. Really simple process with things that you probably just have around the house. You can also do this with tea and get tea dyed papers using some tea bags. Same process, just brew your tea as dark as you can and then do the exact same process. And yeah, I hope this was helpful, you guys. Use these in your great paper crafting projects. And listen, I'll see you over on Lene Creates, my YouTube channel. Have a great day.